Namaste, my fellow Earthlings. It is I, Osepi, here at my desk, and hopefully we got a good view here. I'm eating some chips, and we got here my headphones. These are the WorkTunes headphones, and they are broken, so I'm gonna try to fix them. As you can see, like right here, it's a little busted, it's a little crooked. See that? It's a little maybe crooked. I don't know if you can see that, but they were run over by a car, and they still worked fine. So these are good headphones, but the sound quality is not that great. But really, what we're after is right here. This right here is the issue. There's a little, yeah, there's that. So I have no clue how to fix this, but we got a tool here, and hopefully it will help us sort things out. We also got our organic chips. So we're just going to crack into this thing, see if we can do anything about this. I think, let's see, I think we need, yes, like something like that. This might, I'm thinking we're gonna have to, it looks like there's a lip here, and I don't see no screws, so I think we have to kind of pop this open. So let's try to go for that without hurting ourselves, hopefully. Yeah. Ooh. Okay, I think this is too thick. So let's see. Do we have anything in here that is thinner? I'm not seeing anything. I got a little drawer here. I'm not quite sure what is in frame, what isn't, but this is just whatever. Oh fuck. So yeah, just messed this up a little bit. I just got out of work and I'm still sweaty and everything. So I don't know what I'm doing. I should be taking a shower, not doing this. Oh, no. Now, in this case, we're gonna use the knife, because that's the thinnest thing I got on this little multi-tool here. It's a Leatherman, not sure what model, but it works all right. Oh boy, so I wanna make sure I got a good grip on this, but also I think it might be this part right here is a little plastic, is rubbery. So hopefully, maybe I can work. I'm not having much hope here. Oh, you know what? No. Yeah, no. Nothing. I was thinking about taking this band off to make gripping this a little easier, but I just realized I can do this. So that might help. Oh yes, it's a little easier. Gotta be careful not to strain that cord too much. It's impenetrable. I wonder, is this, yeah, this is definitely, I'm a little weary using the knife. So and it doesn't really seem to be that effective. So we're gonna try this little thing. Oh, this poor knife, man. Okay, no, it's all right. Ba-doo, 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 ba-doo. Jeez. I wonder, maybe I can pop this out. Okay, it's coming out. No, is it? I don't know. I hope this is entertaining. I kind of find it fun to take stuff apart, but when you know it's got to go back together, it could be a little more nerve-wracking. Oh shit. Okay, I just pulled on this, which is coming out now. It's a little concerning, but it looks like I can kind of see the wires here, and if I'm not mistaken, yes, okay. Oh gee, these are a lot smaller than I expected them to be. So it looks like it's probably it's right here, like where it was exposed. It looks like that probably is where it is. The issue. So we need to kind of reattach the wires, I guess. I don't know. I guess I could like cut them and strip them and like twist the wires together and then put like electrical tape around them. Honestly, not the best idea, but like it's not really gonna do wonders for it. But okay, wait, I think I can see. Oh yes, I can see in particular one wire. I'm seeing some exposed copper here, so aha, I see perhaps the culprit. Oh, I'm seeing a few. Okay, so okay, I'm gonna go get a wire stripper and or at least try to find one, and then I'll be right back. All right, so we got these wire cutters, which quite frankly are not good. I don't think they are that great, but we're gonna try them because it's all that we have. Oh no, my TV has fallen off the wall. Okay, so I put the TV back on the wall. So right, hopefully, okay. I want to take off some of the black wiring, but I don't want to take too much off. So, see what we can do here. Gonna be real gentle. let's see. These are really, these wire cutters, the blades on them are really not great. I'm not even really doing anything to these. So I'm gonna do the kind of little bit of a stupid thing and use these to cut them. Okay, I don't like how this is not really cutting. Okay. It's starting to come off a little bit. Oh man, I really don't want to cut through this wire. I mean, I guess it will have to be cut, but not this much. We only have so much wire here. Only so far we can fuck up. Oh, that was a little bit of a deeper cut. Oh, okay. Oh, this is nice. There seems to be a sheath under this to protect the wires, I suppose. So that's making me feel a little more comfortable taking this off. That doesn't mean we should be less careful. Okay, great. We kind of got this off, but lo and behold, there's some other sheath here. Under the wire wrapping, there's another thing. So that's really why I think the cord has been broken, because the edge of the little I'm okay. Ouch. The edge of this under cord, whatever you want to call it, it's it's a little hard. So, which, I mean, great, it protects it, but the edge of it must have been like rubbing up against the cords and made them no good. Like ward them down, and you know what I'm trying to say, hopefully. Because I don't know how to say it. We are just trying to save a little bit of money. We don't need to buy a whole new headphones if we can fix these ones. And I think it's really important for us to fix our own stuff, or try to learn that, because everything these days is made like terribly, and this idea, it's just like a very throwaway culture. So, and like, I don't want to see these and just end up in a landfill, you know? Like, these could actually be useful. If I just fix this one little weak point, we might have many more years to come of music out of these. Or, you know, I could just say, screw it. Well, we'll see at the end of this video, but, you know. Okay, so I'm seeing that all of them seem to have a little bit of stress on them. But this one in particular, which I know you're not going to be seeing, but like, yes, this one right here has perhaps the most issues, most trauma here. Honestly, I kind of would be curious just to like put electrical tape around this and just see, maybe that will help, because okay, no, well, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just using my little critical thinking to okay, yeah, that cord also is having some exposed wire. Now, I guess the question is, well, I see the answer without even putting it next to it. The smallest hole in this is not going to is not gonna strip this wire. So that's a little bit of a bummer, but yeah. We might be able to just do a little magic. Oh, this might be stupid, but maybe I could try using super glue, because that's what I got. I got some super glue in here. Maybe if I put a little bit of a glob on each wire and let them dry separately, I might have a little more strength. I mean, these wires are so thin. It's just very pathetic. And disappointing. Okay, so as you can hopefully see, I have this little screwdriver kind of isolating this one wire, and we're just going to kind of smush it together to try to get the copper. Dude, I know how improper and scuffed this is, but we're working with what we got. This is a free repair. So I'm gonna do that. I squished it all together, and then I'm gonna squeeze a little bit of super glue. I am going to attempt to squeeze a little bit of super glue, but it seems like it's a little clogged. So I'm gonna just, oh, okay. It's really trying to escape now. Okay, oop. Okay, that was a good amount. I don't want it attaching to the metal, which I thought wouldn't be an issue, but it's looking, I think I put it a bit of a large glob on here. So I hope I'm gonna detach it, because I'm finding it's actually kind of sticking. So I'm hoping, okay, there we go. I've detached it from the screwdriver, and now it's just kind of on its own, with a bit of super glue on there. So I'm just gonna let that sit, I guess, before I try to do the same thing to all the other cords. Yeah, so I'll be back when that is done. Maybe that is that nicer? Okay. Okay, after quite some time, we have put little globs of super glue on each one of those things, minus two. Two of them looked kind of alright, so I just decided, I don't need to do all that. This might not even really be doing anything, honestly, but I thought it just strengthens those weak points. And then, so now we can try turning it on. So I'm gonna press and hold this button and hope for the best. Oh no. Yeah, the button's not doing anything. That's really not great. Let's see. Nope. Well then, it looks like we failed. Because yeah, honestly, maybe when I pulled this out, maybe that also made some damage in there. Who knows? This was a mediocre learning experience, I guess. I don't know what to chalk this up to. It's definitely a bit disappointing that these aren't working. I'm sure I could salvage these in some other way. I mean, they still work as like noise protection when I'm working. But yeah, I think maybe if I had like a smaller wire stripper, I could maybe do it. But what a wonderful video this has been, right guys? I mean, just so great. Mission failed. We'll get them next time, I guess. So yeah, this has been my attempt and failure at fixing my headphones. So thank you for watching. Have a good day.